So bubblers are the containers or vessels that we keep the precursors or co-reagents in for the ALD reaction. So with the NANOFABRICATOR LITE, it's very convenient that you can swap materials quite easily to have a variety of materials at the same time, as well as to swap out and replace with different ones. All you have to do is take your standard ALD precursor bubbler, and with this access panel on the side, it's very easy to make all the connections that you need, and then also have the heating jacket that nicely fit with the precursor bubblers, and you can swap them in and out quite easily and quickly. So for the R&D market, when you're doing precursor development or process development, it's very convenient to do a lot of material tests or a lot of precursor tests in a rapid fashion, so you can have expedited development and progress. So being able to easily swap in and out bubblers makes it quite convenient and quite time effective for trying new materials and different precursors.